Hey everybody, I'm Drew. Welcome back to my scale modeling channel. So in this video, I'm going to try to resurrect this 1/48 scale Revell F-15C. I did start building it, but put it aside for about 3 months. And I got really frustrated with the poor fit and the gaps, and I just put it back in the box and set it aside and stopped short of throwing it away. But over the last few weeks, though, I've been, looking at it, and every now and then doing a little bit of filling and some sanding, and I think it's going to look okay now. So, I've seen other people's pictures of this kit on social media, and it does turn out pretty cool. The decals look awesome. And most recently, if you haven't seen Bob Busking's most recent video, he does build this kit, and it looks super cool. So that's great inspiration for me to finish it up and just get it off the shelf of doom. So in this video, we're going to do some, filling and sanding and filling, and it's not the most glamorous thing of modeling, but it's sometimes necessary, especially in these old kits that came out in the 70s. With that said, I will also put a link to Bob's channel in the description, and take a look at his build of this kit and what he was able to do with it. So it's pretty cool. So anyway, so thanks for joining me here, guys. If you have not subscribed, please do so. I do appreciate that. And let's get on with see what we can do with this kit. Hey guys, welcome back. So I'm gonna see what I can do with this. Yeah, I think if I can just overcome some of these gaps and stuff, it might turn out to look okay. But what I've done is I've put some styrene card in these areas here just to reinforce the join, and also because the gap was so bad on the bottom, this will give a backing if I need to put some putty in, or maybe fill it in with some more styrene sheets. So I'm hoping this is going to glue in okay. So let's see here. I test fitted it, and it should. It just takes a little bit of finagling. Does. It's a little bit better there. Actually, let me push this down a little bit. Had a good tip from a guy on, made my comment on one of the comments, and he said, sometimes on these old kits, don't worry too much about the bottom. If you're gonna just set it on your shelf, no one's really gonna see about the bottom, but that gap right there is troubling. But I can probably use some putty and fill it. Okay. Let's see if I can get this pressed down a little bit better on the top. And push it forward. Like that, if I can get that to stay. That way I don't have to do so much work on the top. Run some more. I'm going to run some more extra thin right here. just get that to sit. Just set right there. The top won't be so bad. Okay, so I'm going to put some styrene sheet in here. I've already got one down in that area there to fill that gap. This might just make it a little bit easier to get it sanded. Just kind of want to hold it in place, but there we go, like that. No. It might work. And here I'm using some more sheet styrene pieces to fill in the wing root gaps. there's pretty big gaps on the intakes, so I just use some Tamiya basic putty, and I'm just sanding it off, trying to get it smooth. So I'm just going to use this Vallejo plastic putty to take care of the smaller gaps along the fuselage where the wings join the fuselage, and there's a lot of little gaps that need to be taken care of. And this stuff works great. You just squeeze it in, and I often will use my finger to smooth it out, and then come back over with a wet Q-tip and just smooth it out. Works pretty well. So I'm going to finish smoothing out these seams with the Vallejo plastic putty and just using some damp cotton swabs and moist paper towels. And once I get it the way I want it, I'll be ready to prime and paint and put the decals on. So that'll be the next video. In the meantime, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Appreciate that. Also, check out some other videos that are going to be popping up on your screen. Until I see you next time, everybody have a great week. Take care. Bye-bye.